Okay. Starting. Life is strange. Hello po. Yan. Start. Let's see. There's a delay. Okay. Here. Life is strange. You. Pwede na. Paano ba? Save game 1. Yan. New game. First time kong laruin. Playing a story-based game that features player choice, the consequences of all your organization. Ano daw yun? Ano lang ba?
Where am I? What's happening?
Yung makita yun.
I'm trapped in a storm? How did I get here? And where is here? Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Yan. Let's go. About decision. Saan yung lighthouse? Ayun. Left. What is that? Oh gosh.
Holy shit.
Hindi ako makakita na. I would like to see. You're dead.
Whoa. That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow, from color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why?
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
Arbus.
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's bullshit. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that to yourself.
I can't believe I
Seriously,
still have this pencil
Frank,
case.
any one of you in
I should
front
upgrade to the 21st
can capture
century.
a moment of
But I
inspiration.
like it old school.
And any one of you could do that to me. Isn't that too easy?
I haven't kept up with my journal as much as I should.
What if Arbus...
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Who might best weather of the year. I love watching the leaves change color, turn into tiny flame, but it's still too damn hot. hot. It's overwhelming, and I can't bust out the big coats and sweater or scary movies yet. Soon, Kate let me borrow the October Country by Ray Bradbury. I haven't read much by him, which caused Warren to almost revoke my geek creed before I held up my copy of Battle Royale. But he nails the autumn atmosphere of small towns. Last time I wore a Halloween costume was with Chloe. I have pictures in one of my own albums. I should find a real Halloween party to crash so I can experience some social mingling. It's that or a Vortex Club, Stroke Fest swimming party. Or is that Backstroke Fest? You so funny, Max. At least I'm trying to climb out of my cocoon. I shouldn't expect my life to completely change after a few weeks of Blackwell Academy. As my parents love telling me on the loop, you have all the time in the world. Next. Do I need to read all of this? I got accepted into Blackwell Academy. July 10, 2013. What's that? That's Max. That's Jefferson. That's Kate. That's Victoria. Okay. Have a very special 18th birthday. You're an adult now, but you're still a little girl. Check your account. Don't blow it all at once. Okay. Kate, did you want to get tea later today? Absolutely, I'll be free after. Okay. Mom, happy birthday, Maxine. Can't believe it's been 18 whole years since you were brought to us. Warren. Who's Warren? Do you want to meet for coffee after school? I need an excuse to not study. Please make sure you check out the book. Hey, Mad Max, that was shit up. Wait, I have to study for so you also have to measure its velocity. Don't ignore this message. Okay.
Chose to capture people at the height of their beauty or innocence. She had a brilliant eye.
Big selfie.
So she could have taken another approach.
I have to admit, I'm not a big fan of her work.
Shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
I did know.
I did know, but I kind of forgot.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius. You can find out all about him in your textbook, or even online. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Okay. Ooh,
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass.
look.
Even her school books are gift wrapped. I can't believe she made fun of me in class. What is she, 15 years old? Of course, Victoria has to have the bestest, newest, most expensive everything. I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
Now, 5,000. Okay. Now, hey you, what are you doing? Speak.
Hi, Kate.
Oh, hi, Max.
This is just a bump on a bigger road. I don't want anybody
You seem shy today.
process, but
Yeah.
I also want everybody to know that
You seem quiet today.
Just thinking too much.
I had my moment in the camera.
Don't think so much.
I hear that. Want to go grab a cup of tea and bitch about life?
Thanks, but not today. I have to go over homework.
No worries. Let's hang later.
Sure.
Let me get that.
Now I wish I wouldn't have read this. Purge.
What's it? Computer. Look.
Obviously, Blackwell spent bank on the computers here.
Yes.
Looks like somebody was already working on this. Cool.
What else? Printer. Look.
That printer is amazing. I'd love to see how it reproduces my pictures. I could pump out a whole gallery show with that thing.
Yeah.
When I don't suck. Someday. I love seeing Mr. Jefferson's awesome photos on these magazine covers.
Me too.
I love seeing Mr. Jefferson's awesome photos on these magazine covers.
What else is here? Photo. Look.
That was amazing when Mr. Jefferson took a class picture the first week. Even though I didn't want to be in the picture at all, it was fairly fucking cool to watch him at work framing us. Damn, they have carbon fiber tripods here. The ball head even has a pan lock. God, I'm such a photo nerd.
Not much.
So cool to see Mr. Jefferson's actual published pictures. Gives me hope. This is definitely where cameras go to heaven. Oh man, they have those sweet ultrasonic lenses. And look at that vintage rangefinder. What?
What? What?
Huh, this might make a cool shot. Even in pictures, the forest around here always looks mysterious.
Yeah. Chirpy chirp.
You can never escape the lighthouse here.
It's the lighthouse from the dream.
Whoa, Mr. Jefferson is not messing around with that monster. He probably paid 20 grand for that camera. I bet he gets pristine digital images. But I still dig my little instant camera.
Two.
Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me. this is ridiculous. I always get so shy and nervous around Mr. Jefferson. Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
You have to.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Okay. Gonna get out of this room. TV.
Man, he even has the best plasma HDTV for a class monitor. Can't wait to watch some more documentaries on this bad boy.
Books.
So cool that we can check these out anytime. The Decisive Moment by Henry Cartier-Bresson. That's rare. Here's the poster for the contest. Mr. Jefferson really expects me to enter. Why? I don't know if I'm ready for my 15 minutes of infamy.
I'm gonna join that.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to. You always
Welcome to the real world.
Just cute?
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
Because Max wants everybody to see how cute she is.
She plays it so shy. I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class. It's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy.
Life is strange. Okay. That's so funny. Okay. Am I gonna talk with them? Yeah.
To all of you,
Alyssa is always texting, but she doesn't hang out with a lot of people. Evan doesn't say much to me, but his photos are very cool.
American girls, I'd like to be part of the world
I
around.
hate having everybody see inside my locker.
Driving a car by the seaside,
I love that picture of Mom and Dad.
watching the
Hello, Jack. Kiss,
bright
kiss.
side.
Andy, you look totally fabulous, as usual.
Okay, let's go. Just
That's Dana talking to, I think his name is Justin.
To all of you, American
Dana is on my floor too. She's such an archetypal, gorgeous cheerleader. They must make them in a factory. I shouldn't be so catty. Dana is nice to me.
with shiny smiles and plastic bodies.
Poor Daniel, he's so nice. I wish I could beat the shit out of Logan. I hate bully jockstraps like Logan. And he's a Vortex Club member.
what's this?
I've seen Brooke hanging out with Warren. She seems like his type. It looks like she's been gone for months.
I cry sometimes, walking around my own,
I wish October would last forever.
wondering why she cries sometimes, talking
We should just call it a sugar machine. That would be awesome if you put money in there and a bag of sugar dropped out.
no one could dry her fountain.
wonder what actually happened to her.
Tired to complain.
Good thing I left my AK at home.
That's when I
You look
That's so
everything.
messed up. I should contact them to find out what I can do. As if I am.
You're safe.
Don't need a PC. Missed the poetry jam tryouts, and I did not steal that backpack. There's Juliet from my dorm. Yet another Vortex Club disciple. Figures Juliet would be dating Zachary. Jocks sucked up in the Vortex Club. God, Samuel is such a weirdo. But I kinda like that about him. Black Wolf sure takes its swimming seriously. But otters are cute. Go otters. Look at these trophies. Gotta give it up for those Bigfoots. They do stomp.
To all of you, American girls, it's sad to
You can really learn a lot about a school by the weird shit posted on the board.
without you. American girls, I'd like to be part of the world around you.
He's cute. I like skater boys. Too bad they don't like me.
Watching the world from the bright side.
The Bigfoot stomp. I should develop some school spirit. Go team.
To all
Rachel Amber. She's so... Miss Grant is a great science teacher.
no one can tell where your heart is.
How many students ever actually memorize all this shit?
Like dolly
I guess we all should these days.
with shiny smiles and plastic buddies.
Science class. Where am I
I
now?
wish I had an American
Class.
girl.
Ooh, yeah. Story shifting there. My class is art class. Music. What do I need to do?
Principal doesn't come out of his office much.
I cry sometimes, walking around my own place, wondering why she cries sometimes,
I think this is
talking
close.
about her own place, somewhere around the mountains. No one could try her fountain, till she got tired to complain.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown. Except for me.
That's what you think. What?
Now, who would bother to write that crap? I remember when somebody punked the alarm last month. At least I got out of science class for that quiz.
Okay, Victoria Chase. Poster.
This poster must drive people to have sex. I'm good to flow. Thanks. The last time I got a flu shot, I got the flu. Fuck you. I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
Can peek. Use the sink. Wash your hands.
Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift. Fuck it.
No.
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Take a photo. Who are you?
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss.
You're the boss.
So what do you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this, bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
What happened?
Whoa.
Okay.
What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the
Do I need
bathroom.
to stop that?
He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand, and then I was back here.
He likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
from light to shadow, from color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit!
can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse time?
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the...
I should rewind.
You can rewind. Okay. Rewind.
I did it.
Can you give
I
me an
actually
example
did
of
it.
a photographer who perfectly captured
I'm a
the human
human
condition
time
in black and
machine.
white? Anybody? Bueller?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her
Keep it
images
together,
of hopeless
Max.
faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and
When I
children.
took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question. If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Keep that to yourself.
Take a selfie.
Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner
Let's take
and
a
capture you in
selfie.
a moment of desperation. And shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not dreaming
Of course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was the
can go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet?
I couldn't resist. The point
Can I
is
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I
as
need to go to the bathroom
long as it's
quickly
been
and
around.
check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not gonna get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody here
Shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I
who
need time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind
The
again
Daguerrean process
and give him the right
brought out
answer?
fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype.
Life is strange. It's so weird. You can rewind it.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
See that? So let's go to bed.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid.
I'm not avoiding, just...
Biding time, waiting for the elusive right moment.
Exactly.
Max,
Exactly.
don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you.
No. Hold on. Why? What do I need to?
Your homework this week. Even if you're submitting your photo for the competition, everybody in class is turning in a photo, so...
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Don't really say.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Okay. Time to go to the bathroom.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
Let's go to the
Yo,
bathroom.
Daniel, you remember that it's payday?
You know I don't tease.
I hate that science class with those nerds.
Let's show
Okay, Max, retrace every step.
What do I need to do?
I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing
Ever
down!
Tell me what to do.
Wowzer, it's happening again. I need a hammer to break it open.
Hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
Shit.
Shit! I need to rewind and do something fast.
Never even missed your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Oh. Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to. Your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job. You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
Report.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family, and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told you?
We'll continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Of course this academic drone won't do anything since the Prescott family owns Blackwell now. Should I rewind and change my story?
Yep. Let's change it. Or not talk to you.
You look a little stressed out. Are you?
I just got sick in class. Female trouble.
Except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the truth. I felt dizzy in Mr. Jefferson's class.
Just tell me what you're hiding. You can trust me.
There's nothing to hide. I got sick. It happens, you know.
There's that Team Toot again. You know, I've heard enough. Don't think I don't know what goes on around here. You've only been here for 3 weeks, and you're already causing conflict. I don't think your parents will approve when they find out. Now get outside with class. Please.
Oh.
No, he does not buy that at all. I may have just flushed my scholarship down the toilet. Yes, I could rewind and actually tell him the truth.
Yeah. So in case something happened, at least I told him.
You look a little stressed.
Blah 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 blah.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott.
Blah blah blah.
Don't wander around here. Get on outside.
Go outside now.
Would Nathan Prescott please come to the front office? Thank you.
Where do I go? Let's see.
This day has been so insane. Everything is happening too fast. Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive.
Where's the door? Okay, to the left. Oh, that's it.
Come on, Logan, bring it, bro. Yeah.
I need to go to my room and return Warren's flash drive.
Excuse me.
Oh, look, it's Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell.
Okay.
What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your wave hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that. I guess you got your meds filled. Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving. Oh, wait. Hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way.
Sorry. Sorry, no paparazzi allowed.
I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this!
Chill, Victoria. It's just water.
Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
Let's go.
Keep walking, hippie.
Oh. Something's gonna happen.
None shall pass. Capiche?
Okay. It's nothing. Bang.
I must have missed something. I should rewind.
Need to go. Oops.
There goes Samuel da Vinci to paint the window.
What do I need to do? Do I need to do something? Wait something?
There goes Samuel da Vinci to paint the window.
Use. Listen.
She looks like a pissed off wet cat, and she's still stylish.
What am I going to do?
Nice, bro.
I need to figure this out.
Yes.
Okay, let's see if this works.
I'll take a good picture. Say cheese, girls.
Close, but no cigar. They have to be right under the bucket.
What the hell?
Yeah. So we need to the whole time.
I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close.
So let's go.
I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close. I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close. I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close.
Better now?
Okay, let's see if this works.
Oh. They're not there. Come on.
Okay,
Yes.
let's see if this works.
Yes, it's gonna work.
No way! No fucking
You
way!
okay, Victoria?
Oh, Samuel is sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair, nope.
Get the hell away from me, weirdo!
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I drive.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches.
Not doing
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
that. Make fun. Oh, comfort.
I am sorry. That's an awesome cashmere coat.
It was. But there'll be another.
Well, you always seem to know how to pick the right outfits.
I do have some talent. Mr. Jefferson told me.
I've seen your pictures. You have a great eye. Richard Avedon-esque.
He's one of my heroes. Thanks, Max. I hope those sluts get me a towel before they hang a sign on me. You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
That was mean, but pretty funny.
One of those days, you know?
I know exactly what you mean, Victoria. I'll see you later.
Au revoir.
That's not bad.
Victoria probably played me.
Sweet.
Hurry, Courtney. Victoria is going to be pissed we took so long.
This one. There's no room.
How sad. I didn't write anything. I have nothing to say. Home sweet home. My favorite cocoon.
Cookies.
I love that Mom sent me a fat box of chocolate coconut bites for my birthday. And slipped in a $200 gift certificate.
Told some tall tales about background on student. Is this true? You said this was a serious false charge and that he is worried you're telling stories. Call me ASAP so we can talk about this, Mom.
She sure knows how to make a sad birthday happy.
Do we need to
I am so addicted to this site. Look, Warren makes me laugh. It's nice to feel like I already made a real friend here. Max and Chloe, best friends forever. Who even says that anymore? I'm going to have to call Chloe eventually and find out what she'll say. The longer I wait, the worse it'll be. Idiot. Hard to believe I'm 18 now. I'm lucky my parents enabled my photo habit into adulthood. Warren even left me a little message with his flash drive. He's such a goofball. It feels so nice to just relax. This day has been so damn bizarre, and it feels like it has gone on forever. Maybe I'll just wake up now and find out I was dreaming all of this. Or like Poe said, a dream within a dream.
Dream within a dream. What's gonna happen? Water.
You are thirsty. I'm the worst baby mama. Drink up.
This action will have consequence. Really? Watering plants?
One day I'll organize my film collection. One day I'll get an actual HD TV. That's the only tourist picture I let them take of me at the Space Needle. That was a good hockey game and a great fight. Man, Kristen and Fernando were so drunk hanging on the Fremont Troll.
I need to go out my house. Photo. It flashes so it doesn't really.
The Max Caulfield Photo Memorial Wall. The Max Caulfield Photo Memorial Wall.
Let's put the photo.
Ahoy, Captain. At least I know you've got my back. When I swallowed your eye and my parents rushed me to the ER, I knew we were bonded forever. I need to grab the flash drive on my desk before I see Warren.
Where's the flash drive?
Looks like Dana left me a little post-it note. Great. Now I have to go get the flash drive from Dana's room.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You can't get out now, Dana, so tell me the truth or rot in there.
Welcome to the real drama queens of Blackwell.
Oh, Juliet, this is so stupid.
Hey, Juliet. Is everything cool?
Oh, yes, Max. I've locked Dana in the room because we're
You
cool.
are ridiculous.
She's your friend.
Friends don't sex with their best friend's boyfriend.
No, probably not. How did you find out?
Why do you care? Why are you even asking me? You never talk, just zone out with your camera.
That's why I'm talking to you now.
What's my last name?
Juliet. I don't know. I don't know. I just say Mason Patson.
Juliet Patson.
That was truly sad. Thanks for your concern, Max Caulfield. By the way, Juliet Watson.
Watson. Yeah, time to wind.
Hey, Juliet. Is everything...
Oh yes, Max. I've locked Dana in the room.
Juliet Watson, you be nice.
I'm flattered. I didn't even think you knew my name at all.
Of course I do.
Thanks. I locked Dana in because she was sexting Zach, my boyfriend. Unbelievable.
How do you know?
Victoria Chase. You know her.
You could say that. But why would Dana go after your boyfriend?
According to Victoria, Dana would do anything to date a quarterback.
According to Victoria? Huh.
She saw the sext. And Zachary won't answer his phone. Once Dana admits it, she can go. Straight to hell.
Max, I swear I didn't do anything. But I bet Victoria did. I know the proof is in her room.
Leave me alone, Max. Get a clue.
Get a clue. So, sorry. I need to go to Victoria. Victoria's room. And okay, everything.
Ouch. Well, at least she puts her photographs out there. Unlike me. She's actually got a classic medium format camera No, officer, I'm not snooping. Is she going to get a 3D printer for her dorm room? Maybe I will join her posse. I'll give Victoria props for not posting my photo. Boom! This is the email I need to show Juliet. Now I have to print this fast and get the hell out of here.
Print. Come on. Let's print it.
This better convince Juliet that Dana is innocent.
Oops. Come on. Faster.
Juliet, read this.
Of course. I'm an asshole. I'm sorry, Dana.
You are. And I hope so. You really think I'd mess around with Zachary?
No, but I get stupid jealous. I owe you dinner. Still love me?
And you do my laundry.
Thanks, Max. You're like the Blackwell Ninja. Now let's see what Zach has to say about Victoria.
You set me free. Thank you. Warren's flash drive is on my desk.
Let's go.
Almost done. Get the flash drive and then I'll go see Warren.
Must protect my precious so Max never has to chase it down again.
What?
Ooh, Dana's Facebook wall is up and running. I shouldn't look. Of course a popular cheerleader like Dana would have a million friends. It's so fascinating to get a peek into Dana's social media world. And yes, Max, so terribly wrong. I better make sure everything is still in there. I think Warren forgot to hide the Party Buster folder. Not that I would open it no matter how tempting. I have my self-respect.
Can I go here? Okay, let me end the stream here.
Fuck this shit.
Damn, I better rewind.
Oh. I don't even see that.
Alyssa, move your head. If you insist, Max.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I actually helped somebody.
Graduating from a friend.
Max, that was awesome. Thank you.